Hiccups occur due to involuntary contractions of the diaphragm, the muscle that separates the chest from the abdomen. When this muscle spasms, it causes a sudden intake of breath, followed by the closure of the vocal cords, producing the characteristic hic sound. Several common triggers can lead to hiccups, such as eating too quickly, consuming carbonated beverages, drinking alcohol, sudden excitement or stress, swallowing air while eating or chewing gum, or irritation in the stomach or throat. While hiccups are usually harmless and temporary, persistent hiccups lasting longer than 48 hours may indicate an underlying medical condition and should be evaluated by a healthcare professional.